Well, welcome back everybody. I want to bring you along for another boat project today. And this could possibly be the most overlooked preventive maintenance on your boat. So let me show you what it is, and it may solve and keep you from having a lot of problems in the future. It's this right here. This fill cap for your fuel tank. And underneath your fuel cap is what? Is an O-ring right here. There's one on your fresh water, and there'll be one on your gas tanks as well, either diesel or gas. And something that you need to do on a regular basis is inspect your O-ring. Make sure it's not cracked. Make sure, number one, it's there and that it's in good working order. What I typically will do is we'll put some silicone spray on this rubber O-ring. This will keep that pliable and working really good. And then whenever you go to tighten this down, it will actually give a little bit of lubricant on that O-ring so it doesn't twist or tear. So this possibly could be the most overlooked preventive maintenance on your boat that most people don't think nothing about. So check your filler caps. Look at your fresh water as well. If you're in a freshwater environment, not a big deal, but if you're in a saltwater environment, it can prevent salt water from entering your freshwater tank and also keeping water out of your fuel tanks. So everybody, thanks for watching, and we will catch you later on more boat projects and preventive maintenance. See ya. God bless you guys.